Hey, Bubble Zoo legends, get ready because today we're playing Which Animal is Right? You'll see one animal and three options, but only one is correct. So open your eyes, use your brain, and guess before time runs out. Ready for the challenge? Let's go! Round 1. Which bird is known for its colorful tail feathers? This bird spreads its feathers like a fan during rain. It's Peacock. Round 2. Which bird is known for repeating human speech? This bird can mimic words and sounds. It's Parrot. Round 3. Which bird is the fastest in the sky? This bird dives at incredible speed to catch prey. It's Falcon. Round 4. Which bird is known for hooting at night? This bird has big eyes and hunts in the dark. It's Owl. Round 5. Which bird cannot fly and lives in Antarctica? This bird swims very well in icy water. It's Penguin. Round 6. Which bird is known as the king of birds? This bird has powerful wings and sharp eyesight. It's Eagle. Round 7. Which bird is commonly seen in cities and eats grains? This bird is often found sitting on buildings and streets. It's Pigeon. Round 8. Which bird has long legs and stands in water? This bird is pink and often stands on one leg. It's Flamingo. Round 9. Which bird is known for building hanging nests? This bird makes beautiful nests that hang from trees. It's Weaver bird. Round 10. Which bird is famous for delivering messages in the past? This bird was used to carry letters over long distances. It's Pigeon. Yo! That was wild, Bubble Zoo crew! How many animals did you guess right? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bubble Zoo.
Bubble Zoo.